Like
My kids are going to school. Say
yeah,
hi.
gonna get hi.
Bakit? Di pa ni- Say hi.
Hi,
Where are you going?
school.
What about your sock?
I'm going to school. And after,
And afters. So we're
my
here
first day of afters.
going to school. Ang shortcut from the neighborhood.
Is it my first day?
Not your first day.
Going
Yan ang routine namin. Maglakad towards school. Ito yung mga bahay na mga neighborhood namin.
beautiful flowers.
Kaya ang ganda. Ganda nga ng flower. Come on, hook by hook. Ang Hapones kong pogi. Hapon yung...
I'm gonna be tired.
Ate, let's go. Dami mga flowers. Ito na kami sa Motion Drive. For going to Motion School. I know field nila. Field. Autumn ang season now. Nasa 21, 22 degrees Celsius. Autumn na siya. So from spring, kaya malamig na ang simoy ng hangin. Dito na kami sa Moson. Excited ka, Tiffany, ha? Ayun! Yan ang school nila. Pogi, seryoso. Pag... Wala. Ah, Tania! Okay. Ay, siya ka rin.
My home
Oh, yeah, when?
when you're 10 years old.
When? Joke. Ayan ang school nila. Nakapila na sila. Bye, ate. Sa Cargas na bero eh.